In this video, I'll be doing the unboxing for the Insta360 Go 2, which I've just bought. This package consists of the Insta360 Go 2 lens guard, mount adapter bundle, carrying case, and the 70cm invisible selfie stick. The Insta360 Go 2, this is the 64 gig edition. In the box, there will be a Insta360 Go 2, the world's smallest action camera, and it comes along with the charge case, charge cable, magnet pendant, easy clip, pivot stand. Okay, we shall begin with the unboxing. I shall start with the Insta360 Go 2, right? The main package, the main box. So this one is, I got it brand new, it's still in string wrap. Let's check out the contents. This actually is a very innovative product from Insta360. The previous edition is actually the 32 gig. Now they have improved it to increase the storage to 64 gig. And I seriously think that if you are serious about getting an action camera, you should really consider the 64 gig edition. So this package is very nice, all right, you see, very neat. So it's the camera, whoa, yep, it is magnetically stuck to the box. So as you can see, it is just the size of my thumb, about the same size as my thumb. So it's really very compact, and it kind of feels hefty. There's a good weight to it. Okay, and what else? Oh yes, inserted here would be the magnetic pendant. The magnetic pendant. How am I going to take this out? Let me see. I think, was it this way? Oh yes. So you have the magnetic pendant here, where you can wear. So you wear it onto your neck like that, and the camera goes here. Of course, you wear under your shirt. So this is a magnetic pendant. Magnetic pendant. Let's put it one side first. Then what else we have in this? All right, some instructions card and more instructions. And here we have the charging cable, the easy clip, the charge case, and what would this be? Oh yeah, the pivot stand. And I think this is pivot stand with the strap to hold on to. Okay, I think for Insta360, one of the things that you must get, I really recommend you getting, is this charge case, because it not only gives you extra recording time, it also keeps your 360 in a very nice package. It is also protected, so it gives you extra charging time, protects your Insta360 Go 2 camera, and best of all, it is also a remote control, and it also has its own legs, you know, So let's try to see how am I gonna okay, I think it shivers out. I think let me try. I can't seem to get it. Perhaps I need to get the instructions, read the instructions to get the legs out, but it will be on its own as a tripod. All right, you could actually sit it as a tripod. Right, so this is the charge case with the Insta360 camera. All right, so this is all in the case here, and of course you have the box, the carrying case, which is handy to carry around your Insta360. I don't suggest you do a naked carry, because the thing is that you may damage your Insta360 Go 2 camera. So it would be good if you could get a carry case so that your camera is actually well protected. So let's open this up. Whoa, okay, you have your carrying case. Oh, the material feels really solid, very good. Whoa, okay, all the compartments are all very well laid out. Okay, so you can have your charge case here. You can put your Insta360 camera here and the other necessary accessories. Let's go on to see the... Okay, this one would be the lens guard, which one of them is already being installed on here. So I'm not going to open that one up. I'll do that later. On this one, it will be the different mount the adapter bundle. All right, mount adapter. So I'm going to open this up and let's also take a look. Yep. So you have this. They have given us what, 2 3M stickers, the square shape and the oval shape, and yep, the mount adapter, so that you can use them in different situations. Maybe you mount on the side of your car, or maybe on your skateboard, you know, and you can actually have your 360 Insta360 Go 2 camera capture different perspective. Very nice. And last will be this 70mm invisible selfie stick. Whoa, very neat. So this one could extend out to 70 cm, and it feels sturdy. The material feels solid. The workmanship definitely is high quality. Okay, so this one will allow you to take invisible selfie. If you can, get this. So far is everything. Alright, I shall be playing around with this Insta360, and in the next video, I'll share with you on a more in-depth review. Until then, see you. If you like what you see and want to buy the Insta360 Go 2, do click on the link in the description below. Full disclosure, this video contains affiliate link. If you click on one of the links to buy, I'll receive a commission. That way you can support me to continue to make good videos. And remember to click like and subscribe and turn on all notifications to be notified when my new video drops. Until then, peace.